Yeah, I stop until here. The couple of question, quite a number of questions we have not done, but I hope you have done it at home. Okay, because I cannot simply do every question. Yes, so I hope you'll try. But we had a short break last week, right? Because of the holiday, isn't it? So just to help you to recall, let us do a few of this, then you can pick up from there again. Right, this is supposed to find the area. We're still doing area measuration. For this question, first of all, you have to identify what is the shape. The shape is not parallelogram, isn't it? It is trapezium, right? Yeah. So area, the moment you see a trapezium, you're going to find the area of the trapezium. Very easy. I'll put it down on the formula first. Mm. Oh, somebody want the link. Share. Give them a link. Hold on. Mm, let me just one more. Just y'all try to do this question first, okay? Some of them want the link. You know, I told you about the sharing. Let me give them the link. How am I going to give the link to him? Lower is it? Bigger, bigger. Okay, link. Let me try to get a link first, okay? Team X channel. Link. Mm, okay. Mm, okay. Okay. Continue. Okay. Let's go back to this again. Yeah. Okay. Let's start. Okay. You have to identify this is a trapezium, right? So put down the formula for the trapezium first. This on top. Area of trapezium, yes, equals to half a plus b. Can you remember? Times the height, isn't it? Okay, this is the formula for trapezium. But they have given you the area. So you're not supposed to find the area. You're supposed to find the height. This is the height. How do you know this is the height? Because there's a the right angle to the two parallel side. The right angle is here, isn't it? So this is the height. So you're supposed to find the height. Yeah. I have given you area. I've given you A, given you B. You're supposed to find the H, isn't it? This H, huh? So this is given, A is given, B is given. You're supposed to find H. Yeah. Okay, let's put it into the formula. Area of trapezium is 288 equals to half. A plus B doesn't matter which one. You can take the top, the longer one to be A. You can take the shorter one to be A. Doesn't matter. A plus B. So you have 30 plus 18 times the height, isn't it? Right? You see, when you want to solve this kind of a question, you need to do cross multiplication, right? So you must know your cross multiplication very well. Equals to 288 equal half. 30 plus 18 will be 48, right? You're going to solve h, isn't it? So if you want to solve h, the h must be alone. You must leave a h to be alone. So you're going to put 2 over here, 48 bring over. Okay, I repeat, 2 must bring over, 48 must bring down. Remain h alone. That's how you find h. So to do this, you look at it. This is as good as saying 288 over 1 equals to half bracket 48 over 1 h over 1. Same, right? It's the same, isn't it? The moment if you don't see anything in the denominator, it means over 1. It means over 1. It means over 1. Okay? You don't see any denominator, it is over 1 upon 1. Divide by 1. So what you want is h to be alone. You do cross multiplication across the equal sign. Bring across. 2 will go over 2. 48 will come down. That's why we always say cross multiplication, isn't it? Yeah. Below, you cross over the equal, become on top. 48 on top, cross over equal, become below. Yeah. I mean, it's always like that. Yeah. So uh you will have 288 times 2. You have 48 below, isn't it? Right? Because you cross multiply. Yeah. So you only left h over 1. Yeah. You can take out your calculator and you can start pressing. Somebody equals to yes 12 exactly. 12 h over 1 means h. So this is actually 12 cm. Answer. Easy, eh? Hope you remember. Yes, right? Can remember? Anyone? Anyone? Can remember, right? All good. Move on, move on. Any question? No, no question. Move on, pending. All good. Okay. Let's bring it down so they can see. You can see the dimension on top, right? Yeah. Exactly. Finish already, eh? Okay. I won't ask you to do this. It's the same, right? Yeah. I won't ask you to do this. This is the same as this. You find the height. Giving you the area, giving you the area, giving you A, giving you B, you're supposed to find the height. So you do on your own, Yeah, on your own, okay? Move on. We do one question without the diagram, no figure. So you draw the figure yourself. They tell you this is a trapezium. The area of a trapezium is, they tell you, okay? If the height is 5 cm, you're supposed to find the sum of the parallel side. What does it mean? If the height is 5 cm, the sum of a parallel side, find the sum of the parallel side. What does it mean? If I draw for you, huh? Okay, draw for you, okay? The trapezium is 110, but I have given you the height. I didn't give you your parallel side, huh? This is A and B, isn't it? A plus B, right? So I draw, okay? I draw. Okay. Yeah. Now this is A. And so I'll put two arrows here to show that they are parallel. So this is A, this is B. Okay? But I have given you the height, 5. So this is 5, isn't it? 5, huh? Yeah. These are 5. 5 is here, from here to here. Okay? Yeah. I have also given you the area 110. So this is the total area. The total area refer to this. Refer to this. The total area. 110. So I'm going to put 110 inside. 110. 110 centimeter square. Now let's see what they want now. Okay. I've given you the area. I've given the height. You're supposed to find the sum of the parallel side. So what are you supposed to find? What do you mean by sum of the parallel side? A plus B, right? Yeah. So you're giving the total, no? Yeah, right. Add together. Yeah, right. So A plus B, you're supposed to find A plus B, the total. You don't need to find what is A, you don't need to find what is B. You just have to find what is A plus B. Yeah. So if I put it into the formula again, I erase this first. I'm going to clear the area here. Okay. Area of trapezium half A plus B height. So you're supposed to find this. You're supposed to find this now. You don't need to know what is A, you don't need to know what is B, just find the total. But I've given you the area of the trapezium is 110, so I break down. 110 half A plus B. Do you know what is H? I've given you the height, right? Height is 5, which is, I put it here already. So this is 5. Yeah, 5. Again, you need to solve by cross multiplication, isn't it? Right? Your cross multiplication must be very good. Must be very, very good. Yes. Every question that you see, volume, area, they are all cross multiplication. Must be very good. Yeah. So if I'm going to solve A plus B, what I want to do now is I'm going to bring 2 over. I'm going to bring 5 down. I will leave A plus B alone. Yeah? Yes? Right? So this one must be left alone. Anything that is not that when there's no denominator, we all know, like I mentioned, this is upon 1, this is upon 1, this is upon 1, 1 divide by 1, right? Yeah, right? So what I want to get rid of is, I'm going to get rid of 2, crossover, 5, bring it down. I left this, yeah, that's what I want, yeah. This is called cross multiplication, isn't it? Right? All good? Yeah. So I'm going to bring two, no, maybe equal. Don't put it so high, and then you'll be wondering why. What? Maybe I put it at the center. Then you know. Yeah. Then half. Half is actually here. Okay. Make it clearer, isn't it? Yeah. I am bringing two up. If I bring two up, cross multiply, right? Bottom become top, top become bottom. So if I bring two up, become two times, right? Yeah. If I bring five down, it'll be five times below. Yeah. So I only left this alone. Yeah. Yes. Okay. So I have um 2 times 110 uh equal, put it equal here. Now this one become 1 over 1, no more already. 1 over 1, no more already, okay? No more, 1 over 1. 5, 5, I'm going to bring it. The moment I cross over the equal, it must, the top, on top, crossover become below, yeah? So I will have 5 below, 5. So left, A plus B over 1, left 1 over 1. That's all, isn't it? You only left A plus B, right? Yeah? So you have, let's continue, okay? You have uh, 2 times 110, you have 2, I'll put it here, 220 over 5 equals to A plus B. Someone give me an answer, please. 4 times 5, 20, 44, isn't it? Am I right? 44 cm equals to A plus B. That's the answer. Yeah. You don't need to know what is A, you don't need to know what is B at the moment. Yeah. Because there's a sum, isn't it? So when you look at a question like that, if a, if a student doesn't know what you mean by the sum of the parasite, what are they trying to find? The sum of the parasite is actually the formula from the equation, isn't it? Right? That's the sum of the parasite, right? And so you must understand what they want then. Okay. So that's A. Yeah. Now you know what is A already, isn't it? You know what is A plus B, right? Now they tell you what is the length of the longer side with the shorter side is 90 cm. So you have already found A. Yeah? Now if I'm going to put A here, A, your answer for A is already uh, uh, A plus B is equals to 44 cm. That's the answer, right? Yeah. So if we're going to find B, yeah. Now they tell you the length of the longer side is the length, you're supposed to find the length of the longer side. If the shorter side is 19, so one of them is 19, you're supposed to find the other one. Yeah. You can take this as 19, doesn't matter. You can take this as 19, doesn't matter. Okay, it doesn't matter. So I'll put B, I'll put A plus 19 equals to 44, right? They tell you one side is 19, right? You're supposed to find the other side. So all I need to do is I take A equals to, now I'm going to bring over the equal. It's like cross multiplication, same thing. But when I bring over here, since there's no divide, your plus become minus. Yeah, change. The top become bottom, bottom become top, plus become minus, minus become plus. Yeah. So I bring this over, it become 44 minus 19. Change, right? Do you notice that it changed? Plus 19 become minus 19. It changed. Yeah. The moment you cross over, it changed. Yeah. Plus become minus, minus become plus, times become divide, divide become times. Yeah. It changed. Yeah. Okay. So 44 minus 19, so 25 is it? A is equals to 25 cm. Answer. Yeah. You notice A and B, right? Part A, part B. In the exam, you do one wrong, the other one will be wrong. Alright. So you're going to be very careful. You know. When you have a question like that, question A, question B, You got to do very carefully. You do one part wrong, the other part normally will continue down. The other part will be wrong also. If your A, say for example, you get A plus B, not 44. Let's say 50, you calculated wrong, you get 50. You take 50 minus 19, also wrong. Yeah. This is wrong, this is also wrong. Yeah. When you have A and B and question like that, you have to be very, very careful. But not that they will give you a zero. They will give you marks for what you have done. Okay, oh, you do some calculation, they give you marks. But they only give you a bit of marks only, for your hard work, for your writing. Other than that, you lose marks. Yeah. Are you okay? All right. Okay, move on. No question? Easy? Move on, okay? I'll move on. I clear the page first. Hold on. Okay, you don't do anything first. Look at this. Okay. Now, what are you supposed to do? Can you see? What are you supposed to do? You're supposed to find the two things. You're supposed to find the total area and the parameter of the following composite figure. The word composite figure, composite means two figures joined together. Composite, yeah. Why two figures? Because if you look at it, actually, actually there is a triangle. Can you see there's a triangle here, right? And then the other one, what is this? Trapezium, isn't it? All right. So actually, two diagrams, two figures joined together. One is a triangle, the other one is a trapezium joined together. Okay. You are supposed to find the total area and everything. And secondly, find the parameter plus this plus this plus this plus this. Now, if I ask you to find the parameter of a composite figure, you only find the outside. This. Please don't add the height. Inside don't count. Yeah. Maybe it's easier that we do the parameter first, right? Yes. What is the parameter? 17 plus 12 plus 30 plus 25, right? Yeah, so that's how I'm going to see is that. Yeah. But you notice, can you see there's two lines here? What does it mean? They are the same, very good. If you see, they didn't tell you, they didn't tell you anything. But they put two lines here, one line here, one line here. It means that the length of this and the length of this is the same here. So if this is 30, this must be 30, 15, half, right? It must be half, isn't it? Half of it, yeah? Okay, the parameter, no problem. Now, how do you find this figure? I cannot possibly find the total area of the whole composite figure because it is not a trapezium, right, by itself, isn't it? So I'm going to separate them. I'm going to find the area of the triangle first, area of the trapezium, and then add them together. That would be easier, isn't it? So I'll start with area of triangle. Area of triangle equals to formula, please. Half base times height. Very good. Half times, what is base? What is base? 15, because this is half, right? 30, 30, so this is 15. This is 15. So the base is times 15. What is the height? But how do you know that one is the height? Why do you tell me that this is height? Tell me. What's your reason? What's the reason is the height? What's the reason? You tell me this is height, but why did you say this is a height? Yeah. Very good, very good. Because of the perpendicular, because of the right angle. Yeah. The base of the triangle and the height of the triangle must be perpendicular. So you can see from here, yeah, this is called the 90-degree perpendicular. Okay, yeah. So so that is the height. So I will times 20. That will give me 150, isn't it? 150 cm square. I underline it because I need it later. Yes. Now area of the trapezium. Which trapezium are we talking about? Here, 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 here. Why do I call this a trapezium? Because I can see that they are parallel. Can you see the two arrows here? You must look for sign, when you're doing if you tell yourself that this is the trapezium, they must show you that it is a trapezium. You cannot assume, okay? Oh, this is a trapezium. You cannot assume. You must look for sign that they show you that this is a trapezium. You see, one arrow here, two sides parallel. So it's a trapezium, yeah. Okay? So you must look for sign, yeah. Let's start, okay? Area of trapezium. Area of trapezium equals to half A plus, this one you know by heart already, right? H equals to half. What is A? 20. What is B? 12. 20 plus 12. What is the height? Same thing. Height of the triangle is the height of the trapezium, right? Oh, no. Sorry. Because you take this as the base, A plus B. So where's the height? 15. My mistake, height is 15. Equals to 20 plus 12 will be 32. Half 32 times 15. Somebody answer, please. 16 times 15. Sorry? 240 one time together, is it? 240. 240 centimeter square, is it? Underline, okay. Total area? Huh? Oh, so I see. So this one wrong, okay. What is 16 times 15? 16 times 15? Look, 16 times 15. Somebody? Give me the answer for this, please. This one. 240. Is it correct? 240. 240 cm square, underline. So total will be total A plus B, right? 150 plus 240 cm square. That will give you 390 cm square. One answer. Easy, eh? Okay. All good? 390 cm square. Easy, yeah? Easy. Yeah, too easy. Yeah. Must do something more difficult. Okay. Let's move on, Can I move on? Okay, can I move on? Andy, good? You're copying? Done already, is it? Okay, move on, This one same. Can I just leave this to you? Okay. Okay, what? Okay, you do on your own. You tell me what do you see. What do you see? Two composite figure. What do you see? What? How many trapezium are there? Two. You do on your own. Yeah. Two trapezium, right? First of all, find the area of the first trapezium. Find the area of the second trapezium. Add together is the total area. Parameter, this plus this plus this plus this plus this. That's the answer. Yeah. I leave it to you. I won't do for you, okay? Too easy, eh? I'll leave it to you, okay? Yeah, Mandy, okay? Right? Move on, Yeah. Okay, right? Do something different, Tell me, how do you solve this problem? You are supposed to find, okay, we do this. Now, you need pi to be 3.142, because there's a semicircle there, right? So you need pi 3.142. If I give you pi to be 3.142, don't use the calculator pi, Use this pi again. Don't go and press the calculator pi. Inside there is a pi. Don't press that one. Use 3.142. What they give you, you must use. Don't use the calculator pi. Okay. Now you're supposed to find the same thing, total area of the figure, but the total area in this case, Now, this itself is a trapezium, right? How this supposed to be? Did they say it's a trapezium? The only problem is they didn't tell you lah. They can you see there's no arrow, right? Yeah. In the exam, they must show you, in the exam, they must show you that this is a trapezium. They either tell you that this is a trapezium or they give you an arrow here to tell you that this is a trapezium. They have to tell you, or else you cannot assume that this is a trapezium. Yes? So, this is a trapezium, but they didn't show. All I need to do is to find the total area of the trapezium first. But this is not what I want, right? After finding the total area of the trapezium, I find the area of the semicircle here. Then I'll minus the first one, I minus the second one. You have the area of the shaded part, right? Yeah. Okay. Let's do I shall start with the trapezium first. So everybody go and find the trapezium for me. On your own, do the area of trapezium for me, please. Okay, the height of the trapezium is not 17.5, 11.7. The height must be perpendicular, right? So this is supposed to be the perpendicular. So this is the height. Not this, please don't use this, okay? This is a starting edge. You should be using this. Again, they didn't show you, they must show you, okay? They must show you. 90 degree. Half. 12, 18 is 30, is it? 10. 5, 15. 15, so 150 cm square. Not the answer yet, okay? Not the answer yet. Now I'm going to find the area of the semicircle. Area of a semicircle. Half. Why half? Because half of the area, isn't it? Half pi r square. I put a half there because this is a half circle. So I must divide by 2. Yeah. Equals to half times 3.142 times what is r? Diameter is 10, radius 5. So r is 5 square. Okay. Uh let me calculate. Sorry? 39.275 cm square, is it? Correct? But that's not the answer yet. This is the area of the semicircle. So what do? You take the whole area just now, which is this one, minus this away, which is this one. Okay? So you have area of shaded part. I underline because you need it. Area. I call this shaded part the area of shaded part equals to 150 minus 39.275 cm squared. That will give me Okay, hold on. I think somebody waiting at the door. Where? Waiting at the door. Oh, yeah. Where is she? Oh, here she is. Me. She's inside already. Another one. Okay, anyway, let's continue, okay? So you have two students watching from the video. Okay, 150 minus 39.275. 110. Okay, don't give me the three significant figure yet. I know that they asked for three significant figure. Don't give me the three significant first. Give me the whole thing. 110, 150 minus 39.275. 110.725 cm square, right? Okay, if I want three significant figure, three significant figure will be 1, 2, 3. 7 must carry over because more than 5. So I will have 111 cm square bracket 3 significant figure. That's the final answer. Okay. I think I'm going to give her the link also. Where? But wait. Sorry. Where is okay. See, is it? Oh, okay. Okay. All good. This is nothing. Considered easy. Still easy. Yeah. No fun. Must do something more difficult. Right. Now, we are not done yet. This is the total area, right? You're supposed to find the parameter. It will be 12. It will be 12 plus 11.7 plus 18 plus this, right? This is the circumference of a half circle. So you must find this one first. You must find the circumference of a half circle so they can find the total parameter. Total parameter. Okay? Right? So let us do B now. B. I'll do B here. B. Circumference. Circum of half circle. Okay? Equals to 2 pi r divided by 2. Right? Yeah. Because it's a half circle, isn't it? So I'm going to divide by 2. 2 times 3.142 times r is 5. Divide by half. I cancel half away, okay? No more 2. I cancel it away, yeah? Yeah? So 3.142 times 5. 2 times 5, 10. 4 times 5, 20, 21. 1 times 5, 7, 15. 15.710, am I right? cm, So the parameter of the figure is, so therefore, the parameter is 12 plus 11.7 plus 18 plus 15.710. A total? Yes, total please. Yes. 12 plus 11.7 plus 18 plus 15.710. 57.41. 57.41. 57.41 cm. I want three significant figure, right? Somebody give me the answer. Equals to 574. Very good. 57.4, right? You must put down bracket 3 significant figure. Excellent. Okay. I will not do this because it's the same thing. Yeah. You find the area of the trapezium, find the area of the semicircle minus the same thing. Yeah. Okay. I will do that. Can. I would do P for you. I'll leave the other. Sometimes the same, but not this time. It's the same thing. Yeah. You do on your own. But at least this, you look at it, at least this time they tell you, can you see the arrow here? That one they didn't say. Can you see the 90 degree? That one they didn't say. They should put, or else you cannot assume. But now we know what the 80 is, yeah. They it's just that they didn't. In the exam, they must put. They cannot leave it out. Yeah.
What's their word?
Yeah.
So, what's the can't tell.
Where is it?
The one.
B, is it?
Yeah, can't tell
Oh,
over.
circumference.
Oh.
Maybe I spell it better. I write clearer for you, okay? Circumference. Circumference, CIRCUMFERENCE, circumference. I think in short, exam, you just put CIR will do. No need to spell the whole thing, just put CIR will do. Okay? All good? Move on. Close this. See all the calculation here is from the other class. Okay, I look at computer. Okay, okay. You tell me what to do. You tell me. I won't do. Tell me what to do. Okay. Yeah. Now you are supposed to find the area of the shaded part. So same thing. First thing. Okay. If I ask you to find the area of the shaded part, I will find the area of the rectangle first. Am I right? First thing I do. The second thing I do is I will find the area of the semicircle. I'll find the area of the semicircle. That's the second thing I do, okay? What's the third thing? I will excuse me. I'll find the area of the third semicircle. Hey yo. Third semicircle, this one. Yes. Then I'll take this one minus this one plus this one. That's answer. Okay, can you do that? Can you do on your own first? You see, they are waiting at the lobby. Who is this person? Why in the world she went out? Okay. Okay. So that's the first part. Shall we do? Shall we do? We do, Okay, you do. I don't do. You do. Then give me the answer. Right? Everybody does it.
Find the shaded area.
How do you find the?
Shaded area.
Yes. The question is find the area of the shaded part. Yes. The shaded area. Yes. Okay, a lot of space, a lot of space. I use all the space as much as I can. Okay, so I'll find the area of the rectangle first. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to find this one first. Okay, easier. Area of rectangle. Okay, area area of rectangle is, what's the length? 14, right? Now you can see this 8. You notice uh, you notice there's two lines here. So these two are the same. So if this 8, this must be 8 also. So notice, okay? So if this is 8, this must be 8. So length, area of rectangle is 14 times 8. Length times breadth. Length times breadth equals to 14 times 8 equal 8. 4 times 8, 32. 1 times 8 is 8, 11, 112, is it? cm square, yeah. Underline first so that I need it later. I just underline. I need it later, okay? Okay. So the second one I'm going to do is I'll find the area of the whole semicircle, this one. Whole thing, whole thing first, okay? I don't care where there's a hole here, but I don't care. I'll find the area of the semicircle. Later on, I'll find the area of the semicircle, then I minus away, isn't it? Yeah. So first one is area of the first semicircle. Area of, I will call this the first semicircle. I mean, you can name them any way you like. You can name them area of semicircle A, area of semicircle B, up to you. Yeah, as long as you can name them properly. Yeah. So as a first semicircle equals to a formula, please. Half. Is it half? Half what? Yes, thank you. Half pi r square equals to half times 3.142 times r will be 8, right? 8 square. Okay, I'll take out my calculator. Your calculator to help you. Don't try to do manually, okay? Use a calculator to help you. Mm, that's clear. 3.142 times 64 divide by 2, right? So I'll have 100.544. 100.544 cm squared. Okay, so now area of the second semicircle. I underline it because I need it later. Area of second semicircle equals to half pi r squared equals to half that oh, half times 3.142 times okay, what is the radius for the second semicircle? This one. What is the radius for the second semicircle? 4. Divide by 2. Don't take 8, please. 8 is the diameter. 4 square equals to okay. 16, right? So you have 16 times, 16 times 3.142 divide by 2 give me 25.136, right? Is it correct? 25.136 cm square. Yeah. Total area? Total area? Okay, you tell me. I underline because I need it. Total area? 112 plus 100.544 plus or minus the next one? The next one I must minus, right? I must minus this away, isn't it? Right? This one is actually 25.136. So I must minus 25.136 minus equals to which one? Which one? 112 is a rectangle, no? 14 times 8. Can you try? Is it correct? So what do I have? 112 minus 100.58 plus 112 plus 100.544 minus 25.136. That will give me 187.408. 187.408. 187.408 cm squared. Three significant figure, right? Did they say? Three significant figure equals to 187 cm square bracket 3 significant figure. Okay, that's a 187 final answer. Am I right? Okay. If I ask you to find the diameter of this composite figure, what do you do? What do you do? Parameter. It will be 14 plus 8 plus 14. Now you need to find the circumference, right? Isn't it? You need to find the first circumference, half circumference. You need to find the second circumference, then you add them all together. Can you do it? Can you do it? Yeah. Okay. What's the what is the first circumference? I just do it at the side, yeah. Since I start off, cannot stop doing it, right? Um circumference of the first semicircle, circumference of first semicircle equals to 2 pi r divided by 2, right? Because half, isn't it? Equals, I cancel the 2 away, so forget about the 2, okay? 3.142 times r. R of the first one is 8. That will give me 3.142 times 8. 8 times 2, 16, 25.136, is it? Okay, 25.136, 25.136 cm. Circumference of the second semicircle, circumference of second semicircle. Ayo, my writing is terrible. Make it bigger. Circumference of second semicircle equals to same thing, 2 pi r, 2 pi R divided by 2. I cancel the 2 away because it's a half. 3.142 times 4, right? 2 pi R, 4, isn't it? That will give me, answer please. Again, 12.568. 12.568 cm. Now, okay, the parameter of the composite figure, parameter equals to 25.136 plus 12.568 plus, what else? Give me. What else? What else?
14.
Very good. Plus 14 plus what? 14 plus?
Plus 14 plus 14.
214, right? And then plus, why 214? Because you have 214 here. 1, 2, 214 plus 8. Okay? So you this plus the 2 semicircle. Your answer, please. 81.704 cm. Three significant figure. 81.7 cm. Bracket. Three significant figure. The only thing when it comes to calculating area, a lot of calculation. I hate it. In the exam, you got to do very carefully. It's really a lot. Yeah. Yeah. I hate area. But easy, but it's easy, right? Yeah, easy, but a lot of work to do, huh? Okay. But it's easy. Then when I give you the exam question, then you see roughly what kind of question they come up. Yeah. Okay. Anyone? Stop here for a while, let you consolidate, okay? Let me see some other question. Okay, all right. Now this is a two-dimensional figure. Two-dimensional figure already a lot. Now I'm going to do three-dimensional. Three-dimensional prism. Three-dimensional. Yeah. You have more things to do. Three-dimensional. Ready? Actually, you know what one I'm doing, okay? Sometimes my handwriting is terrible, I know. Usually you know what you are supposed to do. How you supposed to calculate, how do you calculate, what did I do, more important, yeah? Figure not so important, as long as you know what you're supposed to do. Okay, yeah? You're done? All good? Done really? Sure? Yeah. Something is wrong, is it? Tell me. Which one is wrong? Tell me. Which one? This one is it? This one. Okay, can you add again, please? Some wrong. Okay. Yeah. Okay, sometimes we make mistakes. So, I have 25.1 136 plus 12.568 plus 28 plus 8.
8 plus 8.
8 only.
8 only.
Yes, but I said, oh, no wonder. 73.704. 73.704. You know why you only add 1 8?
It's like
Okay, sorry. Because there's a curve there, right? Only 1 8. Yeah. Oh, you add the one inside on top. Oh, no, cannot. Inside, right? So 73.704. 73.704. 73.7, okay, 04. So three significant figure will be 73.7 cm. Yeah. All good. Okay, this one no fun, huh? Flat surface no fun. Three-dimensional figure more fun. Already? Oh, you're still copying, is it, Mandy? Okay. Oh, sure. Okay, how do you do this? How do you convert? You last year one question like that. Student cannot do. Can't do. How do you do conversion? Cm square. Doesn't matter whether it's a square. It can be a cube. It can be a. Okay, doesn't matter. You work. Your working is the same. You are going to convert cm to meter. You tell yourself, you are going to convert cm to meter. Okay. If I ask you 1 cm, how many meter, you might not straight away get into you. What is 1 cm get to meter? Small to big, sometimes you find it difficult to convert. But it is easier you do the other way around first. Big to small, meter to cm first. Because you know, 1 cm, no, 1 meter, 1 meter, is 100 cm, right? 1 meter is 100 cm, but we want to find 1 cm. So 1 cm will be 1 over 100 meter. Okay, that's all you need to know. 1 over 100, you take out your calculator, 1 divided by 100, you get 0.01 meter. That's what you want, huh? 0.01. Okay, let's do 1 cm square is equals to 1 cm times 1 cm, right? Convert cm to meter from here. 1 cm is equal to 0.01 times 0.01, right? From here, there, you already done the conversion here already. 1 cm is 0.01 meter. Equals to 0.01 times 0.01, you will get, you count, how many decimal places? You look at how I count decimal places. Not sure, please use calculator. If you are able to do it manually, you'll be faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. After the decimal point 4, right? After the decimal point, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have 0.4, 40. Actually 30 plus 1. 10, 20, 30, 4. a meter square. So easy, yeah. But we want one, isn't it? We want 400, right? One is 1 cm square give you 0.0001 meter square. 400 cm square, you will have 0.0001 times 400. Take out your calculator, press, you should get 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You should get 0.04 meter square. Am I right? Okay. You do the next one for me, please. I'll leave it to you. Let me see what you answer. 2,500 cm square to meter square. Same thing. Oh, very good. So fast. 0.25 meter square. 0.25 meter square. Confirm? They confirm? Okay. So, the rest please check. 0.25 meter square. Because you already found out just now, right? So no need to convert, isn't it? Yeah, you already know. 1 cm square is equal to 0.0001 meter square. You already know that. So 2500 times 0.0001. Yeah. You will have from here, you already calculated from here, right? Yeah. Okay. 1 cm square will give you 0.0001 meter square. What we want is 2500. 2500 cm square give you 0.0001 times 2500. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 0.25 meter square. Use your calculator, please. Just press. You should get this. Okay. Is that okay? Must know one. You must do a conversion. This will come up. It came out last year. Zero, 0.0001 times 25,000. You should get this. Okay, yeah? Okay. Now you do this for me. You do this for me. Now it's the other way, yeah? Meter to centimeter, okay? So you got to get your conversion first. Yeah. 1 meter, how many centimeters? You must get a conversion first before you start. Just start was cm to meter. Now it's meter to cm. Yeah. Cm to meter, we did it together. Now you do meter to cm. So you got to get the conversion first. 1 meter square, how many cm square? Yeah. Do your conversion. Okay, Mandy. Yeah. So, so you write down 1 meter. How many centimeter first? That's the first thing you do. 1 meter. How many centimeter? All right. Yeah. 1 meter, 100 centimeter. That's all you need to know. Okay. Now you have 1 meter square, 5 meter square first will give you 1 meter times 1 meter. Okay. So from here, 1 meter give you 100 times 100 centimeter square. Yeah. That will give you 100 times 100, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4 centimeter square. But I don't want, isn't it? I want 0.5, right? Yeah. So you take 0.5 meter square equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 times 0.5. Give you 40, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have 5,000 cm square. Answer. Yes? Is that okay? Yeah?
Big to small is easier. When you are converting a big metric to a smaller unit cm is easier. But when you convert it small to big, very difficult to do a reverse. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, 3-dimensional. We're going to do 3-dimensional, okay? Ready? Okay, yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's start. Clear this first. Right.
This is the figure that I showed you. This is three-dimensional. Why did we call it three-dimensional? Because it has a depth. Yeah. You have the length, you have the breadth, you have the depth. Okay. So you have the three figure. I guess you can imagine how does it look like.
Now, in order to do this, you are supposed to find the total surface area. Wow, that's quite big, you know. Am I right? You can calculate how many are there. You can calculate how many there. One, right? One, behind, same. Two, right? Two already, yeah? Then you have 3, 4, 5, 6. So altogether six area. Okay. Is this a prism? Is this a prism? First of all, they tell you the prism, right? So where is the front? Where is the back? If you are talking about prism, your cross-sectional area must be the same. Yeah. Where is the cross-sectional area that is the same? The front and the back, isn't it? Right? The cross-sectional area that is the same is this one. Uh, this one plus this one. Am I right? This is a prism, isn't it? The moment you're able to identify the cross-sectional area the same, that is a prism. But this is easy because they tell you. So you know there must be a cross-sectional area that is the same because they tell you. Yeah. Okay. So you must be able to identify. They don't tell you, you must be able to identify. Okay, now that you know that this is a prism, let us find the total area. Uh, Now, if you want to find the total area, you got to name the area. No, do you want to name that as A, 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 B, C, D, E, F. You see the way I name it, you also have problem understanding which one am I referring to, right? Because they're all overlapping. Am I right? Very difficult to see, right? So sometimes it's not a very good idea to name this. Because if you see A, B, C, F, you don't know which one I'm naming actually, yeah. They're all, which is front, which is back, you can't tell, right? So it is better when, when you have a situation like that, sometimes it's better that you name it as A, B, C, D. Every apex, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Not bad, right? Can you see how to do it? Yeah. When you name it as A, B, C, D, I actually move around the figure A, B. I don't jump, I don't do this. I, you notice I don't do this. I don't do this. A, B, C, D, E, all over the place. I don't. I move around the figure. You see, I actually move around the figure. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Just nice, isn't it? Notice, right? Yes. Yeah. Don't go and name like that. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H were all over the place, right? When you do that, when you name your figure all over the place, your marker will try to find where A, B, where are they? He will have problem trying to find out where is your A, B, C, D there. So trying to name it according to the direction. So let us start. When I do, you realize what I mean. What do you want to start first? Now, do you agree with me that this one and this one is the same, right? I just find one only, isn't it? I times two, right? Yeah. So let us do the first one, area of the trapezium. Now, you see how I do, how I write rather. Let me look for space. What I need is space. Yeah. Okay. Area. I'll write smaller, okay? Trapezium. Now, when I say area of trapezium, I put A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. So if I'm the marker, it is easy for me to see A, B, C, D. Where? Where? Oh, A, B, C, D, I see. Easier for the marker to identify which one you're trying to calculate now. Yeah. Okay. A, B, C, D is equals to trapezium is always half A plus B times the height. That's the formula, isn't it? Equals to half. 8, what is 8? I will take 17 now, okay? 17 plus 8 bracket. What's the height? Can somebody tell me? What's the height? Very good. Why do you say it's a 5? Why? Because of a right angle. Yeah. Because right angle. You must be able to identify, okay? Because of right angle. Equals to 5, 5. Uh, somebody calculate for me. Half plus 25, 20, somebody please. 17 plus 8, 25 times 5 divided by 2. 25 divided by 2. 6.75, is it? 6 is 2 mine. 62.5 cm square, right? Underline, because I need it. You calculate the front, you know the back, right? So all I need to do right now, just say, you don't need to calculate anymore. I mean, for the second one, you just say area of trapezium EFGH. EFGH equals to 62.5 cm square. Underline. You're done really, isn't it? First, front and back, right? Okay, now which one you want? I'm going to do uh, BCHG. Is it okay? Go and see where is BCHG for me. Can you find BCHG? Where is BCHG? You start from a B, yeah? Oops. B, B, C, H, G. So I'm talking about this one, right? Yeah, okay. So if that's a rectangle. area of rectangle BCHG equals to length times breadth, equals to 20 times 5, right? That will give me 100 cm square. Underline because I need it. Okay, done. Sometimes it's good that I done. Okay, now can I do the top? ADEF. ADEF. Can you see? ADEF. Where? Top. Okay. Top, ADEF. I'm going to put now ADEF. So the top, right? Yeah. Okay. Also rectangle, isn't it? Area of rectangle ADEF is equals to give me a dimension, please. ADEF.
20 plus 10.3.
Very good. 20 times 10.3. That will give me 206, right? 206 cm square. Underline, I need it. So this one done. Behind, done. Okay, now I'm going to do ABCF. ABCF? Where is it? Behind, right? Where is A? Oh, sorry. ABGF. Sorry. ABGF. A, B, G, F. So I'm doing this, right? Yeah. Okay. Behind. Area of also a rectangle. I put it here. Okay. No space already. So embarrassing. No space. Area of rectangle. ABGF. ABGF is equals to give what's the dimension? 8 times 20, right? 8 times 20. 8 times 2, 16 cm square. Underline, I need it. So this one done. Where is the last one?
CDEFH.
Very good. CDEH, front, the front, the last one. This is the last one. CDEH. Last one, right? Which is this one. Yeah. Last one, the front. Area of CDEH. Area also a rectangle CDEH. CDEH equals to 20 times, oh, you can't see this one covered, 20 times 17, 20 times 17, 340 cm square. Underline. All done, right? So what's the total area? What's the total area? You add them all up yourself. Okay. 62.5 plus 62.5 plus 100 plus 206 plus 160 plus 340, that's the total area. Yeah. So underline those that you calculated, then you won't miss. Yeah. If you don't underline them, someone will miss it, you know. Yeah. Right? He tends to miss it. Yeah. So I underline and know that I did it. Yeah. Either I plus or I minus. Yeah. What's the answer?
931.
931?
CM square.
CM, exactly, yeah. Okay, the rest please check, help me to check. Total area, I'll just put 931 cm square. Okay, you add it up yourself, huh? Yeah. Mm. 931, sorry. Oh, I did. 931. 931 cm square. Okay. Huh? How is it? How much? Give you another one, huh? See, wow, quite a bit. Okay, okay, already. Give another one, huh? Okay, I'm going to give you another one. Mandy, ready there? Mandy. Clear first. We have. Do this one from. Now there's a line here. There should be a line here. Is this a trapezium? No. Is this a prism? Is this a prism? Is this a prism? First of all, they say it's a prism, right? So where is the cross-sectional area? The front, huh? Front bottom means from where? The front, right? That means here. Can I say this here? Can I say this here? You have to look for the cross-sectional area. Is it this one? Why do you say this one? Very good. When you cut across from top to bottom, they are the same everywhere, isn't it? Until you cut here, they're the same, right? Yeah. Okay, from the back. So this is a prism. Okay, find the total area of this. Now this one you must have a strategy. This one, okay? Don't anyhow. You must have a strategy. Look very carefully, everybody. If your strategy is this, this times 2, right? Front and back, isn't it? Plus this, plus this, plus this, plus this, plus the bottom. Wow, not a very good idea, man. Not a very good idea, I tell you. Yeah. I say again, if your strategy is this times 2, because there are two sides, right? Plus this, plus this, plus this, plus this, plus the bottom, plus behind. You add them all up together. No doubt you did it correctly, but not a good idea to do it. Find a better way. Can you find a better way for me? Yes? Yes, say again?
Okay. Three piece. Then what three piece? What's that? That's a three piece. Oh, I see. You take out with it. Also, that's not a big to calculate. If you break up the three pieces, it's a big to calculate. Okay, if I calculate, I let me tell you how many sides I calculate. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2. I calculate 3 sides only. I can find the total with you. One. Yeah. I just have to calculate 3 sides. I can find the total. What do you think? Yeah. And somebody tell me. I find 2 sides only. 3 sides. I can find the total. I just find 3 sides. I can find the total. These are flat surfaces. Flat surfaces. Now, I give you a clue. If I look from here, if I look from here, okay, what do I see? I see an L shape. I draw the L shape for you, okay? Yeah, okay. Maybe I don't put it, maybe I put it here lah. Side, right? One side. If I if I look from the top, if I look from the top, if I look from here, this is one side. If I look from the top, what do I see? Do you agree? If I look from the top, I will see this. Isn't it? If I look from the front, if I look from the front here, what do I see? Yeah, two what? Very good. Two rectangle. Three sides already, right? Do you agree with me? Do you agree with me? This one and this one is the same? Behind, say right? Do you agree with me that this one and the bottom is the same? Say right? Do you agree with me that this one, the front, and the back is the same? I just find three sides only. I times two, right? Yes. But the only thing is, of course, this one you can't. This one probably you need to divide by 2 because you can't find the L shape like that, right? You're going to find 2 rectangle, isn't it? Yeah. So that's the only thing. Other than that, I find 1 times 2. I find the top times 2. I find the front times 2. Yeah. You agree with me? Let's start. Let's start, okay? I shall do with the L shape first. L shape. Area of, I will put, okay, this one a bit, maybe now I'm going to put area of A, area AB, area of the L shape. Area of AB. Area of AB, okay. Okay, I'll put AB here. Area, area of A. What's the area of A? Length and breadth, right? Will give you, well, what's the length?
What's the length for A?
15 and
Very good. 15 times 3 equals to 45 cm square. Okay. Area of B. Area of B. 7 times 6, right? Because you have to take 10 minus 3 will give you 7 here, isn't it? Right? 7 times 6. Yeah. 7 times 6. How do you get 7? 10 minus 3. This is 3. You get 7. Yeah? Okay. So you have length times breadth. 10 length times breadth. 7 times 6. 6 times 7, 42. Okay. Total area, total equals to 45 plus 42 equals to 87 cm square. Underline, you need it, okay? You need it, huh? Underline, okay? 82 cm, 87 cm square, yeah. Which is the front, huh? So, area of the back, also 87. Okay, don't say area of the back lah. Just say times 2. Area of front, area of back lah. Okay, area of back. Area of the cannot say back. Okay, yeah, back. Wow, sometimes I don't know how to name, man. This thing. Okay.
area of the site.
Area of the site, yeah. Okay, area of site, yeah. Area of sites, yeah. Area of sites equals to difficult, right? So maybe not a good idea. So this is not a good idea. No. No, I tell you why. I tell you why. When you talk about area of the sides, area of the front, area of the back, you must always think about the guy who's marking your paper. Your sides might be not his sides, yeah. Your front might not be his front, yeah. So he will not be able to understand what are you talking about, yeah. Area of the front, what front, yeah. Area of the side, what side? Your side can be side there, right? But his side can be.
Your drawing already show that side, like that. Actually, we can see.
Because you can understand already, is it?
Our drawing is illustrate there.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Side, front, the top, right? Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I agree with you. Okay. Area of A, B. So you have 87. Area of the area of two sides. Area of two sides. It will be 87 times 2. Give you answer 174, right? Cm square. You see, I only underline one. I don't underline the other one, okay? Because you already times 2 already, right? Yeah. So now, now area of the top. Now from the top, top again. Area of top again. Area of top. Area of top and bottom. Top and bottom. Equals to give me. See what you can give me. Area of top and bottom. 30. Well, very good. 30 times 10 times 2. Very good. Top and bottom, you have 300 times 2, 600 cm square. Yeah, yeah, quite fast already. Yeah, underline, Now what else? Area of front. Now front, area of front and back. Area of front and back. Somebody give me, please. 30 times 15, correct. 30 times 15. 15 times 3 is 45, 450. Times 2, right? Times 2, isn't it? 450 times 2, 900. Underline. Total area? $174 plus 600 plus 900 will give me again 1674. 1674 cm square. Do two things. Number one, total surface area. Number two, volume. You must have strategy, right? Okay, you must have strategy. So how do you find the total surface area? If you look at it, there seems to be quite a bit, one here, and then one here, right? And then you have the surface area here, plus the surface area here, and of course at the bottom, isn't it? Yeah. Same thing. Same thing. If you look at the top, what do you see? If you look from the top, you see two circle, right? Am I right? Look from the top, two circle, isn't it? You look from the bottom, one circle. Yes. Look from the bottom, Look from the bottom, one circle. All you need to do is to find the total area of one circle times 2. You get the total area of the top, isn't it? Right? So by doing this, you are actually finding here. You're actually finding here, this one, here, here, and the bottom, of course, right? Isn't it? So I just want to find 1, I times 2. Yeah, times 2. Yeah. Okay. The side very easy. The side is 2 pi r times the length. 2 pi r times the length. You add them all together. That's it, right? Yeah. Let's start. area of area from the top. Area of surface from the top. Okay. Area of surface looking from the top. Area of surface, top and bottom lah. Top and bottom equals to pi r square times 2. Yeah. Yes. Pi, did they give you pi? 3.142, equals to 3.142 times, what's the radius? Radius? 10. Square times 2. Okay. It will be 314 times 2. 314 times 2, 628.4 cm square. Total area, right? Top and bottom, isn't it? Correct? 628.4 cm square. Correct, huh? Okay. Now area of the small cylinder, because there are two cylinder, right? One cylinder is here, surface area of small cylinder, surface area of the big cylinder, right? So I'll find the area of the small cylinder first. I underline this because I need it later. Area of small cylinder equals to formula small cylinder surface area. Again, no, very good. 2 pi r times L, the height, right? I'll take it as the length, equals to 2 times 3.142. What's the radius? Small cylinder. 2 times 2. What's the length? 16. This one, 2 pi r times 16. You get the surface area, isn't it? Equals to again 2 201 01 201 point 0 0.088 201.088. What is the unit? Cm square, right? Yeah, correct. Okay, area of, there's a small cylinder, isn't it? Area, I underline, I need it, right? Area of the big cylinder, I put it here. Area of big cylinder. Area of big cylinder equals to 2 pi r L. 2 times 3.142. What is the R? What is R? 10. What is L? Very good. L 15, very, very clear, right? 10, 15, 15. What's the answer? 425. 9425. 942. 942.6. Any other? That's all. Be exactly. 942.6 cm square total surface area, right? Is it correct? I underline. Okay, you find everything already. You need to find three only. Right? The total surface area. 628.4 plus 201.088 plus 942.6. I give you the last one. 628.4 plus 201.088 plus 942.6. 1,700. 1,772 Did they ask you to give any significant place? AACM. If they ask you, just change. If they didn't tell you, just leave it as 3 decimal place, 2 decimal place, good enough. Actually, 2 decimal place, 3 decimal place, not much. Yeah. Okay. I mean, it's not long, so it's okay. Yeah. If it's very long, then you make it shorter. Yeah, easy, eh? No problem. I give something more difficult. So just to test you only. Okay, ready? Next one. Ready, eh? Okay. Okay, okay, do this. Yeah, this one. Think about it first. Don't start first. Don't start first. Think about it. Hey, sorry. This one, we have finished actually, but you do on your own, okay? How to find the volume? Easy, right? Volume of the small cylinder, pi r squared times the L. Volume of the big cylinder, pi r squared times 15. Add together, that's the total volume. So you do on your own. Okay. How do you do this? Same thing, you have to find the total surface area. Do one at a time. Tell me how you do. Yeah. Don't try to find one by one. You will get, wow, too much. Yeah. What do you do? Tell me. What do you do? Same thing, right? I'll find the total surface from the top, isn't it? If I look from the top, the total surface area from the top, I look down, which is the circle, right? Yeah. Times 2 because the bottom also the same. So done. Yeah. Done, right? So that's the first one. Then the second surface area. So top and bottom, done.
This curve surface, curve area.
Curve, okay. The second one will be the curve surface. No choice, right? That's no choice. You're going to find the curve surface. 2 pi r times this one, isn't it? No problem, yeah? What else? The whole thing, right? No, you must find the whole thing, isn't it? The whole block, right? The whole block went to the hole, isn't it? You see,
This area, the things went to the hole, the center one.
That's minus away. Very good. You see, because it went to the hole, so it will count, isn't it? You're right. All I need to do is all I need to do is this, you see, I will find the total surface area of the whole thing. I do for you, I show you, do for me. I find the total surface area of the whole thing times 4, right? Times 4, isn't it? Total surface times 4. But you cannot calculate the one inside the hole, no, because it's covered, so you don't count. Yeah. You don't count this, inside there's a hole here. They went into the hole. Inside, you don't count, right? Because inside the hole, isn't it? So what do you do?
Minus the 3 cm away.
No, you can't. You can. You just have to calculate inside. This one, times 4. You minus it away. Yeah. You just have to minus this away. The 3 cm times 4. You minus that one away. You don't count. Right? And that's it. Done. Yeah. Finish already. Yeah. Isn't it? Because inside 3 cm, right? Inside, also 3 cm. There's a hole inside there 3 cm. Yeah.
3 cm by 6.
Times 6, yes, times 4. 6 times 3 times 4. Correct. You're going to minus that one away, right? Inside you don't count, isn't it? Inside you don't count. Is it okay? So let us do, shall we? So the moment you have a strategy, make sure you have a strategy first before you do. Yeah, don't start to do. So now we know, okay, I'm going to do the top and the bottom, area of the top and from the bottom. Okay, let's do. Area from the top and bottom, area from the top and bottom. Because when you look down, it look like this. And then there is a square inside there. Am I right? Not important. You just have to calculate the whole area can already. Yeah. You include the top also. Yeah. Right? So you don't care, isn't it? Just calculate the area of the whole thing. Yeah. So area from the top and bottom equals to pi r square times 2, right? Yeah. You will get 3.142 times what is the radius? 15, right? 15 square times 2 equals to uh, 3.142 times 15 times 15 times 2 will give you 1413.9 cm square. Underline because you need it. Top, bottom, done. Now I'm going to calculate surface area. Now I'm going to calculate here, okay? I'm going to calculate here. This one, this surface area. This surface area is curved surface area, right? The formula is 2 pi r times 3, right? 2 pi r times 3, Okay. Surface area of the, I will say the curved surface area, I use the word curve, total area of the curved surface. Area of curved surface equals to 2 pi r L equals to 2 times 3.142 times the radius is 15. The length is 3, 2 pi r 3, right? Am I correct? Am I right? 2 pi r 3 and check already. Yeah. 2 pi r times 3, the length, the curved surface area. Yeah. I should have that will give me 3.142 times 2 times 15 times 3. Am I right? 282.78. 282.78 cm square. Underline, That's the second one, right? Now what's the third one? What's the third one? I calculate the whole thing then. The whole area of the block, yeah. The whole area of the block, I'll find the whole block, one side, times 4. Right? I times 4 first. Just find one side, times 4. How do I know that the 4 sides are the same? Because you can see from here to the top, they are all 6. You can see from here, you can see they are the same. So this is a square. All I need to do is to find 1 times 4. 4 side, right? Now, remember there's a hole inside. I don't care about the hole first, okay? And the block that is inside the hole cannot count, yeah. The block that is inside the hole there cannot count. The surface area is blocked. It cannot count. But I don't care first. I calculate the whole thing first. Later on, I minus that surface area inside there. And that's it. Okay. So area of the block, area of we call this cuboid, area of the cuboid. Area of cuboid area of cuboid, POI, cuboid is the square thing, equals to The whole length is 42, right? 42 times 6 times 4. 4 side, that will give me 42 times 24. 42 times 24 give me 1008. 1008 cm square. Underline, I need it.
So the last one, you need to calculate the inside hole, okay? Inside hole,
The inside area that is covered by the hole. The inside of the block that is covered by the hole inside. This one, you must minus it away inside the hole, yeah? The surface area of the block that is inside the hole, you cannot count. That one is 3 cm times 6 times 4, right? 6 times 3 times 4, am I right? Am I right to say that? 6, the hole inside here. How do you calculate the surface area of the hole inside there, of the block? 6 times 3 times 4, right? All agree, yeah? So you have area of area of the hidden area. Okay, I use the word hidden area. Okay, area of hidden of area of hidden area equals to 6 times 3 times 4. 4 times 3, 12. 12 times 6, 72 cm square. This one you must minus away, right? So now total surface area. That's the total surface area equals to 1413.9 plus 282.78 plus 1008 minus the last one you must minus inside, don't count, right? Yeah, 72. What is the answer? What's the answer? Two six 32.16.68 cm square. Let me check the answer. This is question number 19. Question number 19. Got to make sure it's correct. Question number 19. Number 19. No, chapter 8, 19. Chapter 8, 19. Two six three two. Wow, hang. Correct. Correct. 2632.68. Yeah. If it's wrong, we're gonna find out why. Okay. Yeah. Do you understand? Do you understand? You okay? You okay? The rest? You must have a strategy. Before you start, you must have a strategy. How are you going to calculate? Yeah. Okay. There are many ways of doing it. Probably the way that you do it will work. But you'll realize that if you don't have any strategy, you will do a lot of calculation, calculate. And the more you calculate, the chances of making error is actually very high. So you want to avoid that. Okay? Avoid that. So make sure you have a strategy when you do calculation of the area. Okay, last one. Can I give you last one? Okay, not done yet, right? Not done yet. Forgot something. Volume, yeah. Can you calculate volume? You done already? So how do you calculate volume? I always forget about volume. Volume is always the easiest lah, okay? Volume is always the easiest. Okay, strategy against strategy. Okay. Easy, right? So what's the strategy? First of all, calculate. Can you calculate the volume of the cuboid? No problem, right? Length and breadth of the height. So the volume is there. Yeah. Can you calculate the volume of the cylinder? You know the cylinder there? Can, right? But yet, when you calculate the volume of the cylinder, the calculator cuboid, you actually have 2 times, you know. Inside the hole, you calculate 2 times, so you just have to minus 1 away. Yeah. Minus 1, minus 1 part away. Yeah, same thing. Okay. So let us do wow, no space, boy. Okay. Can I erase this all done? I erase the Mandy. Can I do it? I erase this away, volume, I'm going to take it away. Okay. Okay, volume of cuboid. Volume. Equals to 6 times 6 times. Very good, 42. 36 times 42. Again? 1512. Is it 1512? Is it 1512? Correct, 1512 cm cube, volume cube, Okay, the cuboid done. Now let us calculate the volume of this one, calculate the volume of the cylinder. This one, volume of cylinder, okay, the whole thing inside. So volume of cylinder. Okay, give me the volume of cylinder formula. 2 pi r L, right? And H, isn't it? Equals to 2 times 3.142 times R is a 30, half 15 times the L. What's L? Very good, 3. Equals to 3.142 excuse me, times 6 times 15. That will give me 282.78. I underline this one first, underline. 282.78 cm cube. Okay. Now the last part, you have to calculate the volume of the squarish inside, which is quite easy, right? How do you calculate the volume of the squarish inside the hidden one? How do you calculate? 6 times 6 times. Very good. The whole inside, isn't it? Right? The volume inside, volume of the hidden volume of hidden area. Okay. Volume excuse me, volume of hidden area will give you 6 times 6 times 3. Where do you get 6 times 6 times 3? Look, 6 times 6 times 3, right? Yeah. 6 times 6 times 3. You know the hidden area inside there is actually here now. I don't know whether you understand what I just said. The hidden area is actually inside here. 6 times 6 times 3. The 3, yeah, inside. Okay. 6 times 6, 36. 36 times 3. 108. 108. 108. 108 cm cube. Underline. Underline. Total volume. Total volume equals to 1512 plus 282.78 minus the last one, 108. Okay, cm cube. Answer? 1512 plus 282.78 minus 108. That will give you 1686.78 cm cube. Yeah. Okay. Let me check. Before I clear your doubts. 20 3 wait, wrong. It should be did I count wrong, right?
Cylinder, the formula should be pi r square f.
Which one? Cylinder, is it? Cylinder volume of cylinder is yeah. Thank you. Where got 2 pi r? Pi r squared times the volume. Pi r squared times the height, not 2 pi r. Yes, you're right. This is wrong, huh? This is wrong. Equals to pi r square L, 3.142 times 15 times 3. Right? Okay, pi r square, there's a square there. Okay, let's do again. No wonder it's wrong. 3.142 times 15 times 15 times 3. Confirm 2120.85. 2120.85 cm cube. Underline. Okay. So this is wrong. 2120. So I'll take this away. 2120. 2120.85 plus 1512 minus 108. That will give you 3524. Yeah. 35085. Correct. 3524.85 cm cube. Yeah. Answer.